Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making Mexican chicken and rice in the Dutch oven. So what you're going to need for this is 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. I find that Campbell's, in my experience, Campbell's works the best, and that's 10.5-ounce cans there. Or you can get a big can, one of those big cans. And you're going to need 2 cans of water and 2 cups of uncooked rice. And we're going to get put in 2 15-ounce cans of black beans. This is if you're cooking for a group out on the camp out. So usually this is what you'll be doing, is cooking on for a group with this one. So, and then 2 cans of RoTel, and that's 10-ounce cans, and 4 ounces of a Mexican or Fiesta blend cheese, shredded cheese. But split this up in 2 cups and 2 cups. 2 cups before you're cooking, and 2 cups for after it's done cooking. Okay, and then we're going to use 3 pounds of this. So this is almost 6 pounds, well, 5.5. So we're going to put roughly 7 or so chicken thighs here. You can use chicken breasts, about 3 pounds or so. And we're going to put in 2 packets of taco seasoning for this, but you can probably get away with doing one packet. So, and actually I may just go ahead and try 1 packet and see how that works. So, but I think I'll put in the 2 for the extra taste actually. So let's, and of course we're gonna put oil, a little bit of cooking oil for the Dutch oven to season it a little bit, and then we'll put it on the coals out here and let it cook. So let's get this all together, guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit here. Okay guys, let's take this top off. Now we're gonna, whenever you're cooking on the Dutch oven, or you want to take the oil or butter and rub it on the pan before and after you cook. Well, after you cook, you want to clean it out, rinse it out real good. Get it out there real good, and then you want to put in another coat of oil or butter before you put your food in, right before you cook. This helps keep the everything seasoned, and I've always been trained on cooking in a Dutch oven not to use soap in cleaning it. So I'll just rinse it out real good, make sure you get all the things out there. Now it gets it seasoned and gives a good flavor. So, alright, so let's start putting this together. So what we're going to do first is get our Yep. get our cream of mushroom together here. Okay, that's 2 cans of cream of mushroom. And get it all dug out. Okay, there we go. Now we'll put in our 2 cans of water. Alright, that's your 2 cans of water there. Now we're gonna put in our uncooked rice. Alright, now we'll put in our 2 cans of black beans, and you want those drained and rinsed. So just open up the cans, put them in a strainer, and alright, get them rinsed, and we'll put in our 2 cans of RoTel. There we go on that. Let's give this just a little bit of a stir before putting the cheese in. Alright, so it looks like we'll just put in about half the cheese. Right here. So I like cheese, so it won't hurt to put in a little bit more than the 4 cups that this recipe asks for. So just depending on how cheesy you want it. We're going to get that good and mixed in here now before putting the chicken in. Alright, so now we're going to lay the chicken in here. That'll be perfect right there. Fits in there just perfect. So, alright. Now our last step here. Let me wash my hands real quick. Alright, and our final step is our taco seasoning. Now I got the this is 25% less sodium, so if you're looking out for the sodium, that helps you out. Of course, this probably don't help that I'm using 2 bags on this time. So let's see. Yep. We'll just cut this open. For some reason I'm So we're just gonna sprinkle this on here. And they're real good. So, all right. Now there we go, guys. All right. So what we're going to do here is put our lid on. Then we're going to go ahead and go outside and get these on the hot coals. So, okay, guys. Now got these coals going. They're pretty much ready to go. So the best thing you can do for this is get you a charcoal starter like this, a little chimney one. You usually get them at the in the camping section of the store, especially like Walmart. And they ain't too expensive, and they're well worth the investment. You just put it as you just put in the newspaper and light it and just let it sit there, and it gets it all started here in about 10-15 minutes. So all we're going to do now is take these and dump them over. So there's our coals. Okay, well, set that over there. Now we'll just take our Dutch oven, sit it on top, and we'll take the coals and set some coals on top, spread them out on top here, and I will get it going. And be about 45-50 minutes on cooking this here. So you just let them all cook. So we'll just get the coals and set them on top here. Alright guys, as I said, we'll let this sit for about 50 or so minutes and we'll be good to go. So I'll see you guys in about 45-50 minutes. Okay guys, here we go. Let's take a look at this finished product here. I've been letting it, I'll let it on there for about 50 minutes now. But we're going to take this off. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Alright, so let's just go ahead and we're going to put this cheese on here. We'll put the rest of our cheese on. Then we'll go inside and there we go. All right. We'll let that sit there for a little bit. We'll go inside here in just a little bit and enjoy this. So, all right, guys, I'm going to carry this inside, and then we'll get ready for give it a good tasting. So I'll see you guys here in a few minutes when I get it inside. Okay, guys, we are ready to open this up here and give it a try. Well, let me tell you, this smells so good, guys. All right. So, see, it looks really good, guys. So, all right. So let me go ahead and dig down in here and pull out a piece of the chicken. What, and then we'll go ahead and get that there we go. All right, there we go. That looked good. All right, well, let's go ahead and give this a little taste. See how it all turned out. All right, let's go ahead, cut this chicken up, and here we go, guys. That is just loaded with flavor, guys. And give this rice a try. See how it turned out. That is awesome, guys. Probably could have left it on for a little bit longer, but everything's done. It tastes great, has great flavor, so wouldn't have hurt to let it run a little bit longer, but it is really good, guys. I'm very happy with this. So alright, guys, this was the Mexican chicken and rice in a Dutch oven. So as you can see, this would make a really good meal to cook on a camp out if you're camping with a group. So it tastes really good. I'm sure people will be really happy with it. Alright, guys, I'm going to enjoy this meal and enjoy the rest of my day as well. And so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. And I'll also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So when you subscribe and ring that bell, you'll get notifications for those videos when they come out. Alright, guys, well, I will see you on the next video, and I want you guys to enjoy the day